Hello students, today we read chapter Bird Talk. So let us start. Hello, can you recognize me? I am a bird. I fly high and free in the sky. I sit in my nest in my comfort zone. Do you want to meet my friends? Let's go and meet them. It is Sparrow. Sparrow is a very social bird. It is Peacock. Peacock is national bird of India. Here comes Robin. Robin is also called orange-chested bird. Robin is very shy bird. It is Jay. Jay is a colorful, loud and intelligent bird. Robin and Jay are talking about something. So what they are talking about? Let's see what they are talking about. Yes, this is the picture of Robin and Jay. What they are talking about? Let us know. सभी रिपीट करेंगे.
Thinks that the robin, thinks that the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Thinks that the robin, thinks that the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wild things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wild things. Think. Thinks that the robin, thinks that the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Thinks that the robin, thinks that the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Aren't people funny? Oh yes they are. Yep.
So you know what they are talking about. So let us play a bird game. See this picture. In this picture they are given some box, or below the picture give some name of the different part of the bird. So let us play a game, a bird game. So this is the game. We put correct label, correct part to the correct box. So let us start. So first I pick foot. Oh, this is the foot. Beak मतलब चोंच. Eyes आंखें. Wings and feathers. And tail, पूंछ. So now let us how much we score. So let us check. Oh, we got 10 out of 10. Let's come to next topic. Yes, there are sound of different birds. We know birds have different sounds. Different birds have different sounds. So listen the sound of different birds.
Bird sounds. Cardinal. Crow. Duck. Eagle. Goose. Owl. Parrot. Peacock. Seagull. Sparrow. And woodpecker.
Okay. Now come to next topic, rhyming words. Do you remember rhyming words? All of you know that rhyming are the words which have same ending sound. Here are some examples of rhyming words. Snow, go, no. In all the three words ending with sound O. Come to next, grow, no, throw. Ending with word with W sound. Eat, meet, neat. Ending with sound T. Now come to next topic. We know about how to pronounce these different words. So let us start. Correct pronunciation of different words. Think, thin and three. When we pronounce these words think, thin and three, we use tha sound for th. This, that, though. But when it came the word this, that and though, we use the sound for th. So you know the pronunciation of th are different with different words. Come to next. Now we know what puppets are. Yes, they are like toy, and yes, we play many games using puppet, but they are slightly different kind of puppet. Today we made finger puppet, bird's finger puppet. So let us know how to make finger puppet. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper cut and color it. Take a strip of clothes or paper, paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it, tie the two ends of the strip, fix it on your finger. Your finger puppet is ready to talk. Let your puppet fly along with your friends. In the end of the chapter, be like a bird, expand your wings, learn new things, and fly high as you can. Thank you so much.